Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the ultimate smartphone experience? The latest rumors and leaks are suggesting that Samsung is gearing up to launch its latest flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If these rumors turn out to be true, then we can expect the next generation of the popular Samsung Galaxy S series to pack a punch with impressive specs and features. Design and display. According to rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature a massive 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with a high resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. The device is expected to have an infinity O punch hole design, which means the front-facing camera will be housed in a small hole in the display, instead of a notch. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is also rumored to feature an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, which makes it suitable for outdoor use. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to have a powerful camera setup, which includes a primary 108-megapixel camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and two 10-megapixel telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom, respectively. The camera setup is expected to support 8K video recording and optical image stabilization, which makes it ideal for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Performance. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The device is also rumored to have an improved battery life, with a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging and wireless charging. Software. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to run on Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.0 on top. The One UI 3.0 is a user-friendly and customizable interface that offers a smooth and intuitive experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a highly anticipated smartphone that is expected to offer an ultimate smartphone experience. From its large display to its powerful camera setup, the device is rumored to have it all. However, it's important to keep in mind that these are just rumors, and we will have to wait for an official announcement from Samsung to know the real specs and features of the device. Please note that this information is purely speculative and based on rumors and leaks. The actual specifications and features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may differ from what is mentioned above. Subscribe now.